How to log into your Saraswat Bank account. So first, open any web browser you have available. Right now I'm using Google Chrome, and go to the search bar and search for Saraswat Bank login. So just click on it and Saraswat Bank login. And once you search for this, the first link is the official website, so just click on it and this will open up the login portal of the bank. And once you have opened the portal, you can enter your user ID, your password, and to verify you will have to enter this CAPTCHA code right here, and then simply click on login. If you forgot your user ID, you can tap on this link. This will redirect you to your user ID reset link, and if you forgot your password, you can click here to reset your password. And it's as easy as that, and that's how you can log into your Saraswat Bank account. I hope you found the video helpful. If so, consider giving this video a like and then subscribe to the channel. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.